Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn the first trick to square any 3-digit numbers. Here, we have examples here on the board. We have square of 213 and 213 square. Then I put down case solution. We are going to consider example 1 first, which is 213 square. To do this, we are going to divide this number into two parts, that is 2 and 13. When we create 3 spaces here, now I pick the first number, you square it, 2 square, that will give us 4. Then the first digit here will come down here. Then now we consider the second digit, which is 13. We square it, 13 square. This will give us 169. But 169 is too big. It's a 3-digit number. Then as such, we are going to keep 69 here and move away with 1. Then now to get the middle number, we are going to multiply 2 times 13, then times this 2. Then if you multiply this out, you are going to have 52. Then this is the middle number. Then record that you kept 1 here already. Then 1 plus 52, that will give us 53. Therefore, 213 square gives us 45,369. This is the answer to example 1. Then now, we are going to consider example 2. We are still going to apply the same approach there. Then now we have 106 square. We are going to divide this number still into two parts, that is 1 and 06. We create 3 spaces. When here the first digit we square, 1 square, this still give us 1. When the first digit still comes here, when we have here 06, but we're going to take 6. This 6 square, this will give us 36. And 36 will come down here. We have a 36. Then to get the middle number, we multiply 1 times 6, then times 2. Then 1 times 6 times 2, this will give us 12. And 12 comes down here. Therefore, 106 square will give us 11,236. And this is the answer. You can check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.